Many men on semen retention think they're free because they stopped busting, but they're still slaves. They say they're on semen retention, yet they're still peaking, still scrolling, still searching for half-naked girls on Instagram, TikTok, and dating apps, pretending it doesn't count. But I'll tell you the truth. If you're still peaking, you're still chained, and you'll never experience the real power of retention until you stop. Let's be real. Most men think semen retention is just about not releasing. They think as long as they don't touch themselves, they're doing fine. But that's a lie. Your brain tells you to stay addicted. Every peek, every scroll, every harmless look at those women online, it's another dopamine spike. And your brain loves it. Because for years it's been trained to feed on pixels, not people. You're still conditioning your mind for lust. You're still wiring yourself to chase pleasure, not purpose. And that's why so many men never feel the true benefits of semen retention, because they quit busting, but never quit lusting. Here's the reality no one wants to face. Even if you don't release, peaking still floods your brain with dopamine. Your body doesn't know the difference between a real woman and a photo, because your brain reacts the same way. Each time you peak, you reset your dopamine tolerance. That means your motivation drops, your focus weakens, your attraction to real women fades. You start craving stimulation instead of connection. You become numb to beauty, numb to purpose, numb to life. And the worst part? This is how relapse begins. Because lust never stays still. If you keep feeding it, it'll drag you back again and again until you fall. Let's be honest. No peaking is harder than NoFap. Because it's not just about self-control. It's about rewiring your entire relationship with stimulation. Your brain has been trained for years to chase arousal online, to open your phone when you're bored, to scroll when you're lonely, to seek comfort when you feel empty. So when you take that away, it feels like withdrawal. You'll feel restless, agitated, like something's missing. But that's exactly where the transformation begins. That's your brain detoxing from lust. That's your dopamine system healing. If you can push through this phase, if you can truly go no peak, your mind will become sharper, calmer, and clearer than ever before. When you stop feeding lust, you don't just get stronger, you get free. Your mind becomes peaceful again. You stop objectifying every woman you see. You start seeing people as people, not dopamine triggers. Your focus deepens, your energy rises. Your heart opens to real love, real connection, and real purpose. That's when semen retention becomes spiritual. That's when it stops being a challenge and starts being a calling. Jesus said, "You have heard that it was said, 'You shall not commit adultery.' But I say to you that everyone who looks at a woman with lust has already committed adultery in his heart. If your right eye causes you to stumble, gouge it out and throw it away. It is better to lose one part of your body than for your whole body to be thrown into hell." He wasn't telling you to hurt yourself. He was telling you to cut off what tempts you. Delete the app, unfollow the model, block the site, clean your explore page, protect your eyes, because what you look at shapes your soul. So how do you stay clean in a world designed to make you lust? Here's how. Guard your eyes. Treat every scroll like a battle. You decide what enters your mind. Pray for strength. Ask God, ask Jesus to protect you from temptation. Say, "Father, give me eyes that see with purity, not lust." This isn't just willpower, it's spiritual warfare. Replace lust with creation. When urges come, move, train, write, build something. Use that same energy to create instead of consume. Detox your digital world. Unfollow every model. Say "not interested" to every half-naked post. Delete your dating apps. If needed, delete social media altogether. Build real connection. Go outside. Talk to real people. Smile. Listen. Learn to love without lust. The more you live in the real world, the less power the fake one has over you. Here's the truth. You can't be a free man if you're still a slave to your eyes. Stop peeking, stop feeding lust, and start walking in power, in clarity, in purpose. Because this isn't just about semen retention. It's about becoming who God created you to be. So starting today, no more peeking, no more scrolling, no more halfway discipline. Go all in. Drop a sword in the comments if you're done feeding lust and ready to walk in purity. Like this video, subscribe, and join the brotherhood. Together, we'll rise above the noise. Stay strong, stay sharp, unleash your warrior.